1921 bungalow in beautiful Fountain City. Electrical, plumbing, roof, HVAC, paint, tile, privacy fence done in 2016. Original hardwoods, interior doors/knobs and casements and fireplace hearth.Open floor plan, large eat-in kitchen and soft close cabinets. 9 feet ceilings west/crown molding and large windows. Large walk-in closet in master bedroom. Second bath features custom mural by a local artist. Large attic west/plenty of storage plus walkable, unfinished basement. Spacious backyard with screened-in deck, a 6'x8 workshop shed, new brick planting beds, space for a firepit or pergola. Current firepit does not convey detached 1 bedroom/1 bath mother-in-law suite.